So today I would like to show you how to give the audio commands to the Raspberry Pi in order to give the commands to turn on the LED on and off. And I'm actually using my I'm not using the microphone. Instead, I'm using my Bluetooth headphones, which has the integrated microphone in it. So I am using the Bluetooth of the Raspberry Pi. You can do it with the wired headphones, but they needs to be working on the USB instead of the jack provided on the Raspberry Pi. And the other thing is like if you wanted to use the microphone, same for the microphone, you need USB jack, USB connector, and the adapter in order to connect to the Raspberry Pi and give the commands to it. So let's look into the code and the file libraries that I have imported. And the other thing I would like to show you is the circuit and how I created and what kind of files, what type of libraries I have used and what it does. So the first library that I imported is sounddevice, which actually takes the input and the output of the sound. So whatever I'm speaking right now, that's what it takes the input and provides the output. I haven't provided actually output. I'm just providing an input with the help of the my headphones. And then the second library I have actually imported is the speech recognition. Now what does this do is it actually whatever I'm trying to speak right now, it changes that to text. So that is what it does. And that's what actually turned on the LED and off. Now what I meant by this, when I say the command on the LED, so when I say that, the sound device takes it and give it to the speech recognition, which takes the help of the Google API. So what it does is it changes that literal sound to text and then give the command to the Raspberry Pi in order to turn it on and off. And then I have this GPIO. GPIO does this. I actually providing the output in this case, like turning it off and on. And then I have this another Python library called time in order to set the duration. So the duration is 5 seconds and the sample rate which I have talked about is 16,000 hertz. Then I have set the LED pin to be the GPIO pin 17. Now again, I would like to say it is a VCM pin, not a port pin. Then I have provided the output for it. Then it recognizes my speech. It takes the commands, return whatever I'm trying to say to it. And if it doesn't recognize my audio, it shows the errors. Then it listens. So if when it is listening, and then it actually, if I say on the LED, the control LED will command will work. Which then if I say on the LED, it will actually it will turn the pen to high, and then it will print on the terminal LED is on. Then if I say off the LED, it will print on the screen LED is off and actually load the GPI pin 17. And that's all the code does. And if I press exit, which the exit command is Control C, the terminal ends it. So let me show you the circuit and how I'll be giving the command and it actually turn on and off. So let me shift my camera to the other side. Run this command in the terminal. So I was actually working on it. So I have used a virtual environment in order to do that because those libraries were not directly getting installed to it. So I need to use a virtual environment, and I've already actually working in the virtual environment, so I would be running the code. So if you would like to see me do it from the starting, I could show you doing it from this. So exiting it and then going to the virtual environment. So I need to actually connect my headphones. So this is how you connect the headphones. Go here. I have these many devices connected to it. Connecting it will take a few seconds, couple of seconds probably. Okay, it's taking a bit much more time. Okay. Did I disconnect it then? Let me see whether they are disconnected on my phone or not. So actually my headphones were off, now they are on, so let's connect to it, and it has connected. So let's look, right click it, and as you go, these are the name of my headphones, so they are connected to it. And let's give the set the environment. So in order to set the environment, firstly I had already set up an environment, so let me access that folder where the environment is already set up. And then in order to actually work on the activate the environment, I had to write this source command, and then the name of the Python file, so it's lesson Python. So let's give the command. So let's look into the command. What are the commands? As we talked about earlier, it is on the LED. Okay, let me show you what it is. So it is on the LED and off the LED. So let's give those commands to the resistor. So it is actually resting, and I said some gibberish into it. So it is on. Okay, let's give an actual command to it, which it does some work on the LED. On the LED. Whether it is taking the input or not. Okay, it has actually on the LED, and there you go, the LED is on. So let's give the command off the LED. Off the LED. It hasn't recognized it. Off the LED. So it has off the LED, and as you can see, let me just, for my sake, whether it is actually working or not, say something. On the LED. So there you go, it has on the LED. Thanks for